One of the questions that I've been asked very often is how is our food being poisoned? And one of the biggest problems with the poison of our foods is sugar. 85% of all products, whether they're sweet or spicy, have sugar in them. Sugar has been used under over 200 different names, so we're really not sure when something really has sugar or not. You have to look it up on Google. The other problem with sugar is that it's extremely addictive. And if you eat stuff with sugar, you're going to want more, and eventually your system is going to start breaking down. There's other poisons in the food which are used to prolong the life of the food and also to make it taste better, such as bleach to make it look better, rocket fluid, and antifreeze to make it last longer. There's just additives, other additives which are coloring, things that really don't belong in our digestive system, and the body doesn't know what to do with them. It stores it in fat cells, and that is how we're eating what we believe to be food, and it's actually junk. Now, in addition to that, we also sometimes deep fry our food or cook it under a tremendous amount of heat, which destroys all the minerals in the food. So you need to pay attention, because if you don't do something about it now, you will definitely pay for it in the future. So be alert, eat good, eat right, stay away from chemicals.